Assalamualaikum kelas.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Yuni and I'm Teacher Yuyu. Before we start our class today, let's recite the doa together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Before we start our class, let's sing. Who wants to sing? Okay. Today we are going to sing the song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Who knows the song?
Me.
Can you do the simple like clap your hands, stomp your feet?
Yes. Like this.
Can you all stand up?
Hi everyone. Look. Isn't it beautiful today? The flowers smell so nice. And they're pretty too. Listen. The birds are singing cheerful. I feel so happy today. Let's sing and dance together. Clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Stop your feet. Happy and you know it, stop your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stop your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stop your feet. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. Turn around and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it. Happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, if you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around.
Okay. Who know we're going to learn about what?
No, I don't.
Today we are going to learn about animal body part. Who has pet? Who has pet?
I can
No.
I don't like.
I don't like animals. You don't like? Oh, you don't like? This one?
Fish.
Okay. Teacher.
You.
Teacher, I want to ask you.
Yes, what?
At my home, have cat.
Wow.
Cat.
How many ears does rabbit have? I know. How many ears? Two. I am here too.
You rabbit.
But you are the human.
Ah, you human.
Like she's human animals. Hey, teacher.
Yes. This cat has 4 legs. Okay.
So today we are going body part of animal and then animal feeling. Okay. So this is fish. What is this? Fish. Okay. This is a bird. What is this?
Bird.
This is a cat.
Cat.
And this is a rabbit. So now rabbit has 2 long ears and it has 2 eyes and nose. It has also mouth, chest, tail and it has 4 legs and also have a head. Okay, so fish have 2 eyes, 1 mouth, scale, and also have a feet. For bird also have a tail, 2 wings, 2 eyes, and a beak. Okay, for the last one is a cat. So cat have 2 ears, 2 eyes, a long tail and 4 legs. Okay, so now can you tell me what difference of rabbit and cat?
Long tail and short tail. Good job.
Okay, who animal have long?
Cat.
Okay, good. Okay, what difference bird and fish?
Bird has feet, right? Fish have feet.
Okay, good job.
Now we are going to do activity. Who want to do activity with teacher?
Me!
Okay, fine. Teacher need you guys to quiet. Please do not answer the question. This animal has 4 legs. This animal has 2 ears. This animal has wings. This animal has feet. Okay. It's a pig. You're gonna choose one of you to come in front, answer the question. Who wants to start?
Aida.
Aida. Come, Aida. Good job. Can you tell me which one of the animal have 4 legs?
This one.
What is this?
Cat.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tell your friend.
You guys correct or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Sophia.
Sophia.
Yes, Sophia.
Cepat. Ani. Okay, Ani. Can you tell me which one of animal have feet?
Fish.
Feet? No! Fish don't have feet.
Bird.
Tell your friend.
Itu keren.
Yeah.
What is animal?
Good job.
Akila. Akila.
Stand up. Okay, Akila. Can you tell me which one has 2 ears? I think it's rabbit. You guys correct or wrong? What is
Rabbit. Ashikin.
Which one do you like?
I like cat.
Okay. Which animal have short tail?
Rabbit. Can guys correct or not? Okay, so now we are going to the activity speaking. Okay, so this is mystery box and there are animal flashcards inside the box. Okay. First, you need to come front and take randomly flashcard inside the box. Okay, and then you need to show your friend what you have and what you get. What you get. Okay. For example, cat. And you need to describe this animal
Okay, can you get it?
Yes!
Good. Okay, now who wants to try first?
Lisa.
Show your friends.
Bird have 2 wings and bird didn't have ears, but bird can fly.
Wow.
Bird can fly or not?
Yes.
How to fly?
Okay, now.
I got ready.
Okay, now tell your friend what is this?
Ready.
Rabbit has a long tail. Long tail. Rabbit has short tail. And no wing. And 2 ears. Yes. Okay. Show to your friends. Guys, I got fish.
I like you.
Me too.
I like you. Ya, masih
Lebih shy. And free. Teacher, I don't know. You must try. What can do it?
I think Bella can have. Let me show you. What is this? Fish. Okay.
You know.
Okay, firstly, fish have a big eye. Big neck. Fish have big fin. Okay, last one you.
Okay, good. Okay, for the last one, I want. Don't be shy, Okay, show to your friend.
I got cat.
Good.
And long tail and long tail. Long tail. Two ears. Four legs.
Okay. Between rabbit and cat, which one do you like? The cat eat. Rabbit can eat.
Justice for everyone. I love both.